Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Odalit teeth restoration powder. So you should use this powder or not. Is this really worthy for you? It will really work for you or not? So in this video we will cover each and every information. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, like Odalit, this is not the official name of this product. So you can also see this is the same product. The product name is different. Oil Key is the different product. And when we go on amazon.com, you will see there are you can say so many type of product available on amazon.com, the same product with different names. So you should not trust on this product, and you should not buy, because on amazon.com when you make research, like you will see some reviews are genuine reviews, and all genuine reviews are about like negative reviews. So is this product really worthy? So my dear friends, my conclusion is only this: these kind of product will not work for you anymore. Okay, so this is only a scam product, and as you can see, when you try to purchase this product, you will not find any single website, official website, where you can purchase the product. And if some reviews available on internet, all reviews are sponsored. You can see over here sponsor tag is also mentioned on the screen. So you should be very careful before placing any order. You should be very careful, like these kind of product will not work for. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. And if you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for, or you can say, lots of ways. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.